Welcome. In front of me I have Oukitel WP6 and the Android smartphone, and I'm going to show you how you can transfer data from the Android smartphone to your Oukitel WP6. So at the first you have to go for the Play Store on the both smartphones and get the application to transfer data, and I can recommend you this application. It's the Clone It. The full name is the Bash Copy All Data, and it's really easy to use and you don't have to pay for it, so it's totally free, right? So if you got this application on the both smartphone, let's open it. Accept all of the permissions that you got on your screen, and right now let's open it also on this Android phone. Click sender on Android, tap set, turn on location, go back and click sender one more time. On your Oukitel you have to tap on the receiver, tap search again. Now just wait until the Android share icon shows on your screen and just tap on it, and we have two ways to connect. We can scan this code, but also we can input this password manually. So we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. So let's scan it. If your camera cannot focus on the QR code, you have to tap on it, accept the request, and right now if you want to send all of the data you have to click on all of these icons and then just click start. Right here you got the selected files, the size of the selected files, and also the estimated time. So we are not going to wait that much, and I'm going for the details, and I'm going to show you how it looks on the songs. I'm going to take this songs too, and other I'm going to unselect. Click start, OK, and as you can see the transfer is finished. So right now we can just check where are the files, and it will be probably in the downloads right here. So let's enter, and as you can see here we got the songs that we sent from this Android smartphone to our Oukitel WP6. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.